Another day, another kaon.
So we're here at Krispy Kreme.
And at Alwa the Mall. So we're picking our donuts, and it's so sweet.
And they're excited to choose their favorite. Okay, let's begin. Kasi ako is New York cheesecake. Kapapa is glaze. How about you, Net?
Mine, I think I like the chicky. No, no, the I got the bouncing bunny. Yeah, I like that one. I got the choco basket, and that one is the caramel donut.
How about ate?
Ate
Ate?
has the Chicky Choco glazed donut and the New York
Cheesecake.
cheesecake.
That's mine.
The glazed donut is for Baby Rose and Papa.
Lami siya. Kabibi Rose water. Ang papaan ay
Coffee!
coffee.